Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to move Note to Trash on Evernote. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Evernote application. Now select the note that you would like to move to trash. Tap on the three horizontal dots at the top right corner of your note. Scroll down a little and then tap on Move to Trash option. And this is how you can move Note to trash on Evernote. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.